The new body of the KSU Central Executive Committee yesterday highlighted to the Executive Committee of the KHADC in view of the opposition of the Union to the proposed uranium mining, introduction of railway and the acquisition of land by the defense authorities. Terming the meeting as a positive one, KSU President Lombok Stawel Marngar said that he is happy to see the council is still firm on its stand that it will not issue an NOC to any proposal by the centre to facilitate mining of uranium in the state. Pointing out that even though the UCIL in 2008 had winded up its office from Shillong, he said that the centre is still very keen to mine uranium in Meghalaya.
Ini lagi kisah nama manusia, lagi yang konsel kamlong no sepan ya cepat di uranium, anda ini tidak senam ni lagi yang penduduk sport. Bahkan ini ke jika duduk tas ni rumah sokonat pada yang konsel, kadang hebat jika cuba lak oleh keren kisah nama manusia. Bahkan ini kemen scam, bahkan ini kejuk kamlong koman pada juga banyak kam ni di konsel, dan yang keteng kebujulong kebujul keren boros kata.